Professor number 81. I see Bitcoin falling and losing ground in the crypto market.
I saw something in the realms of the spirit, which I deem it well that I would like to share with the general public so that many of you will not kind of go through one or two depression or the other. I saw the fall of Bitcoin. I saw the fall of popular crypto Bitcoin. I saw the fall of Bitcoin. I saw the fall of Bitcoin. The reason why Bitcoin will fall is because God is removing wealth from the Western world and God is taking back wealth to Africa.
Bitcoin has dropped 24% from the high that was put in place on the 13th of January, just literally 2 weeks ago. And right as fear is coming in at extreme fear now that we're at this point, what is going on with Bitcoin? What can we look to here? Is there even any chance of a comeback here? Or are we just going to continue straight down to 50,000, 30,000, maybe zero? What I have highlighted here are two very specific boxes, and in between we have price action that goes along with it. And when we ended the year last year, very notoriously do we get a 2-week period where we just consolidate, go sideways. And then what happens more times than not, folks, is that we get a move where we take out the highs and we take out the lows, and then we effectively give the next major move after. And what Bitcoin rallied up to, folks, were some major high time frame averages. This is very similar to a 200-day moving average, except for this is a 300-day, 90-day, and 180-day non-moving. So they sit very still here. Price action is likely to be magnetized towards that region. This was our line in the sand if we were to flip that for any more upside. And if we were to get rejected from it, we were looking for a sizable correction back down towards the low. Now, we've seen this time and time again where we come up, we take out our high, we take out our low, and we get another push to the upside. Again, here, April of last year, we came down and we took out our low right there. Huge fear at this point as well. We had the tariff wars at absolute heights at this point in April, only to rally back up towards all-time highs. And here we are again, folks. So with an over 2-month consolidation range here, yes, it is scary. Yes, we are trading well below our recent low here, but this is actually where we could set up a monster move to the upside. Now, as long as we're trading below 80,500, yes, the ideal scenario, the probabilities, everything point lower. You have to be willing and able to adapt to the scenario if we change that, though. If we come back above 80,500, this sets up an absolute monster rally back up to the upside, something of which we could see $100,000 again, $120,000 Bitcoin. It all depends on right here. Like, this is something that you could see a potential bear trap occur, right? Like, everybody's very fearful here. Everybody's very much anticipating lower. Everyone is very much aggressive right here. But realistically, we have done nothing that we don't do time and time again. Again, we ended the year. We consolidated sideways. We topped off. We took out the low. You reclaim 80,500, folks, and it is off like a prom dress to the upside, all right? So it does all hinge on that, so let's be fair there, right? So if we do continue to trade lower here, then yes, lower is going to be expected, but 80,500, key level to watch for any more upside on Bitcoin.